like a mess today. I feel like I wasn't even looking into the camera. Probably. Whatever. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Zulema 2.0. I'm back again with another video. So today I'm doing a taste test, and if you haven't noticed, I'm taste testing these two meals right here by Sweet Earth. One is the cauliflower mac and the other one is the pad thai. I actually have 4 in total, but I'm splitting them up because it's just a lot of food. So tomorrow I'll record the next 2, but it's all gonna be in one video, so no worries. So let me tell you a little bit about this. So Sweet Earth is totally vegan. It says vegan right at the top. And we'll start off with the cauliflower mac. It has 9 grams of protein per serving, and the serving size is 9 ounces. It's high in vitamin C, and it has 5 superfoods, which is freaking awesome. So the main superfoods are cauliflower, sweet potato, chickpeas, turmeric, and garlic. And yeah, so I'm choosing to bake them. You can actually put them in the microwave, but I put them in the microwave, so I'm gonna just go ahead and bake it. So that's what's happening right now. That's why the boxes are empty. Make sure that when you bake it, you don't put it in the plastic container that it comes in. Put it in an oven safe plate or bowl. That's what I did. I also want to add, because I just saw this in the back, it's a good source of calcium and iron, high in vitamin C, B1, B3, and a good source of magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is really important. You guys don't know this because they don't tell you this often, but magnesium is really important. All right, so the next one I'm gonna do is the pad thai, and it also has 9 grams of protein. This one has a good source of iron and a good source of calcium. And the superfoods in this is carrots, bell peppers, shiitake mushrooms, green onions, and garlic. So this is obviously more of like an Asian one. I only got 4 because they only had 4 at the supermarket. So if they had more, I would have gotten more and tried more of them. But yeah, stay tuned. Should be about 30 to 45 minutes until these are made, but yeah. Guys, 510 years later, but here I am. I made it and the food is done. It smells really, really good. I'm gonna just be really honest. What the heck? That was really scary, but the wind just opened the door and you could probably hear the wind. But anyway, I'm just gonna be really honest in terms of taste and texture and the way it looks on here versus the way it actually came out. We're gonna start off, this is a little hot still. We're gonna start off with the mac and cheese, and off right from the beginning here. It looks a little bit dry, so I'm hoping that the flavor is there. Whew. All right, so it's not as dry as it looks, for sure. But it needs some like salt, pepper, and garlic. Texture is really good though. It's creamy. It's actually really creamy. I think there's, I can't even reach, some breadcrumbs in there. I don't know if you can see that. Ah, I knew I was gonna do that. I mean, it's okay for like a quick bite to eat. It just needs a little bit more, you know? So put that there. I'm gonna move on to the pad thai, which smells freaking amazing. That looks like, there's that. It's still pretty hot. Whew, okay, here we go. Hold on. I like this one. This one's good. Okay. So there's that. So that's a piece of tofu. So let's try the tofu on its own. It just tastes like tofu, but with tofu, whatever it's combined with, that's what it's gonna taste like. But if you have it on its own. It doesn't really taste like much, but if you put it together with the noodles, it tastes like the noodles. I think the tofu is extra firm tofu because it's not smushy. It has like has a texture to it, like a chicken nugget. I don't know. Yeah, I totally recommend the Sweet Earth Pad Thai. This one questionable. I'd probably get it again just because it's quick and easy to make. That was my dog. But I would add stuff to it, like on my own. Like I would probably even add some veggies to it. I would add some garlic to it, salt and pepper, and I think it would be perfect. But on its own, the way it's packaged, it's lacking some salt. Texture's there, flavor, questionable. You can find these at Walmart, and I think they're $3.99, I believe. I think they're Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm setting this camera here, a little behind the scenes or whatever. Okay, that works. All right, the food. I have 2 more to try. Whew, I had a long weekend. To be quite honest, I haven't showered, and I just put myself together, or tried to put myself together for this video because I need to finish this like today. So this needs to happen. So we're gonna do it, even though I want to take a nap. This is me waiting because the food's not done yet. So we're just gonna wait together. I don't know why I'm whispering. That's weird. Oh, I just want to take a nap. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. I don't know when this is gonna be posted, but just know that it's a Sunday. Oh my God, I just sneezed all over my food. All right, so if you haven't noticed, I am trying these 2 right here. So I'm not really in a curry mood, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna try curry today. Let's do curry first because I would rather the flavor of this General So tofu to be the last flavor I have in my mouth and not the curry. You know what I mean? I do that. I save like the best one for last. And this has green lentils, quinoa, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and turmeric. This has 16 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, which we all need, and high vitamin A and C, 100% vegan. This can also be made in the microwave and in an oven. I chose the oven. This also has a high source of iron and vitamin B6 and folate. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like on the cover versus what I actually have here. I'm a little confused. So, you guys saw what the box looked like. Oh, that's what it looks like right now. And of course, I transferred it from another plate to this smaller plate. This is small, and I'm eating both because I can eat. It has little pieces of seitan. That's what it is. Wheat gluten. It's not soy based. It's actually really good. Let me go a little bit closer to here. I can't reach. That's what it looks like. It's coconutty. It's I need a napkin. It's coconutty. It has lentils. It has carrots. It has broccoli. So like I said, seitan is wheat gluten, and it has a meaty texture to it, similar to like a sausage texture. It tastes like whatever you flavor it with. So it tastes like curry. Look at me eating. I'm like, I don't want curry. I don't like curry that much. And like curry is really overpowering. So this is exactly what that tastes like. I feel like everything in this dish tastes like curry. And then like once the curry kind of like goes away, it tastes like coconut. So there's definitely coconut milk in this. Oh, my dog, she's so cute. Wait, there she is. I don't know which one I want last. Ew, it's in between my fingers. All right, so now we're gonna go with the General So Tofu. I don't know how to pronounce that, so help me here. So it looks like that. That's what it looks like on the package. This has 11 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and it's high in vitamin C. It has ginger, green onion, red chili pepper, broccoli, and tofu. A high source in protein and fiber, vitamin C and vitamin A. And this can also be made in the microwave or in the oven. It does have soy, obviously, because of the tofu. So if you have a soy allergy, again, this is not the one for you. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like for real. There it is. It smells so good though, so hopefully it tastes as good as it smells. Right. Did I just pick this up from the floor? Whatever. All right, let's see. What sauce is in this? Hold on. Ginger puree, sesame oil. It tastes like soy sauce, like hoisin sauce or whatever that is. It tastes like sesame. It just tastes like your typical Chinese dish, like with the garlic sauce and stuff like that. It's so freaking good. Let me get a close up here. Oh, I dropped the pepper. I keep doing that. That's what it looks like. Oh, wow. I'm not sure if the tofu is supposed to be crispy. It looks like it has like a little layer on it that looks like it was supposed to be like, it's supposed to be crispy, but it's actually not. It's a little, it has a meaty texture, but it's definitely not crispy. It doesn't have that like crispy crunch. Crispy crunch, it tastes like, it smells like, I can't talk. It sounds like Krispy Kreme. I totally recommend this one. I recommend this one too, but they're totally different dishes, obviously. I'm gonna finish both because I'm a hungry beast. But this one's gonna be last. These are really good, along with the other two that I tried. The mac and cheese, questionable. I'll probably get it again, but I'll do my own thing to it. They are rich in superfoods, all of them. So they're really good for you. It's just, I know that some people are like, oh, but it's microwavable. It's like a, what is it called? Frozen food or whatever. But just keep in mind that they're vegan, and not everything that you eat, not every vegan is healthy. These are actually better options. They're healthier options because they have vegetable. They're more vegetable based than anything else. And you're not harming animals. So that's what we ideally want to do, is not harm animals, you know? So definitely check these out. You can find these at Walmart, probably Target, probably Publix. I'm not sure what grocery stores are around you, but I found these at Walmart. And there was 4 different flavors, but I know they have a bunch. Like this one has the Kyoto burrito, which is like an Asian burrito. And then the other one has just traditional seitan. So if you want to buy seitan on its own and make your own curry dish or make your own Asian dish, they sell it on its own. Those two here. Oh, they have a lot of different options. So I would recommend you guys all check them out because it's pretty good, especially like if you have kids, like for dinner, something quick, or maybe for lunch, just buy a few of them out of the week, and it's a perfect serving size. So, I mean, I'm a beast, so I'll eat them all. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these yummy things right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more taste tests by me, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I post a video. Give this video a thumbs up, and if I didn't say subscribe, I'm saying it again, subscribe, because I really appreciate you guys. Let me know what you guys think below, and I'll see you guys next time.